You've probably seen the ads promising that SnoreGrip Pro will stop snoring instantly with a simple tongue-retaining device. But before you spend your money, here's what really needs to be said. After carefully reviewing everything about this product and the real-world feedback, the results are far from the miracle solution being advertised. SnoreGrip Pro claims to gently hold your tongue forward during sleep, to open the airway and reduce snoring, and even mild sleep apnea. But in practice, many buyers report tongue soreness, excessive saliva leakage, difficulty keeping the device seated overnight, and poor overall comfort that interrupts sleep rather than improving it. The product itself appears to be a low-cost plastic device widely available from Chinese marketplaces for around $1. Yet it's resold under the SnoreGrip Pro name for as much as $70 with aggressive buy one get one free promotions, countdown timers, and limited stock warnings clearly designed to push impulse buying. The website is filled with suspicious 5-star reviews and overly polished testimonials that can't be verified independently, raising serious questions about authenticity. Despite bold medical-style claims, there's no credible clinical research, FDA endorsement, or professional sleep health backing to support its effectiveness. The design itself feels generic and poorly finished, with sizing issues that don't accommodate all mouth shapes, causing discomfort or simply falling out during the night. It's also been spotted sold under multiple rebranded names over time, following a classic dropshipping playbook. When everything is weighed together, SnoreGrip Pro ends up feeling less like an innovative solution and more like an overhyped gadget built on marketing, rather than science, not the miracle fix promised. But not a completely unknown idea either, just a cheaply made tongue device sold with inflated claims. Before trusting flashy ads with your sleep and health, make sure you look past the hype and toward proven, medically backed snoring solutions.